Oh, who's NJ19? We got to check the rotation because that'd be hilarious, wouldn't it? If someone's got a wonky Benjamin and they've chucked it into circulation. Okay, welcome back to another Coins to Collect video, and it's a very special video today because today is a Mega Marathon Monday 24. Fantastic. Right, so there's 9 teams taking part today, and I'm going to have to look at my list because I'm going to get it wrong otherwise. So I'm kicking things off, obviously, at 12 o'clock today. 1 o'clock is Sunderland Coins, Master Dan Temples at 2. 3 o'clock is To Coin a Phrase, who won the Christmas little tournament they did. 4 o'clock is Rich H. Hunts. 5 PM is MackemMoolah. 6 PM is Cristopher Collects. 7 PM is Grosey. And at 8 PM, rounding things off for the day, is Bungle. My mate Bungle. Fantastic. Right. Okay, so I've got 4 bags here in front of me. Just picked these up yesterday. We got a few different dates. 17th of the 10th, 23. So I'm going to mark that bag number 1. There we go. 14th of the 3rd, 24. 14th of the 3rd, 24. The bottom left one is 4:50 in the afternoon. So that is going to be bag number 2. This one here was 4:55 in the afternoon. So that's going to be bag number 3. Then this one here is the newest one of them all. And it's the 19th of the 4th, 24. So just last month. So that is going to be number 4. Here we go. Now, the only reason I'm marking these bags is so I can see over the next few weeks if I made the right choice. If I picked the right bag for this coin hunt. I'm going to go with the newest bag, number 4, because that's going to give me the better chance of finding any salmons. Fingers crossed, hopefully. So I'm going to go with number 4, maybe work in reverse order for the next few weeks. I've got a score sheet. I made this score sheet up myself. So obviously we got Kew Gardens at 100 points. But I've given every coin a score this year, so a Benjamin Bunny will still get me 1 point. Yay! Enough messing around, let's get on with this hunt. So bag number 4 I've chosen, the 19th of the 4th, 24. So this is a bit different for me. I'm just going to use all the bags. Not going to, I thought I saw Olympic for a second. Yeah, not going to divide the bags up into 2 lots. I'm going to do a full £250 hunt. That is very weird, isn't it? Right, so let's just grab that one. First one. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, all my competitors. And yeah, let's go for it. Let's get into it. Britannia. Shield. 2020 shield. I'm still going to keep my 2020 shields. Oh, there we go. First commemorative. And that is the Battle of Britain. We've got to check the back. Or the front, sorry. Oh, anyway, still get it wrong. Let's have a look at the portrait. And it's just a JC portrait. I can see that without having to look actually at the initials. But it's a Battle of Britain, so we'll have a look. I'm not going to do this for every coin, stop and count it, but we'll do it for this one so you get an idea. 35 points, Battle of Hastings. Right, okay, let's crack on with this. 2017, so that's got to be a Potter, and that is a Tom Kitten. Points on the screen there. I'll add them up as I go. But I'll add them up personally every time I finish the next bag, I think. Just got to make sure I'm in the middle. There we go. 2019. There we go. That's the first bag I'm done with. There we go, found a bit of a dull looking heroic act. There we go. Another bag. There we go, another VC, but this time it's the medals, which I think is another 5 points. I think. Oh, another Battle of Britain. How mad is that? Let's put that down for a sec, and then we'll just carry on with this bag. Just get rid of this, and then we'll check the portrait of that. Oh. Right, so 2 there. We got a second Battle of Britain. So another 35 points. Lovely, very nice. And we got a Paddington at the Cathedral. There we go. Don't know. Can't remember how many points he gets, but anyway. I'm going to put Paddington down here. I noticed that when I was doing Paddington Corner on the last few videos, my face is blocking Paddington Corner, so I can't see what's going on. Never mind. Oh, coronation there. There you go, coronation to start that bag. Oh, sorry, Your Majesty, you're up the wrong way. There we go, very nice. Think that gets me 10 points. Nice one. There you go. Another couple of lackluster coins. We've got a Roger Bannister. There we go. He's got me some points. 10 points, I think. There we go. Nice. All adds up, doesn't it? And then we got a really dull, horrible Diversity Built Britain. Shocking. Used to seeing them so... There you go. There's the obverse side there. Nice. But that's night and day. Dark side of the moon. There we go. That's got me some points as well. I should imagine it's only like 5 points or 1 point or something. Anyway, that's up on the screen for you. Right, so best I tell you now before I forget. Each channel taking part has got a unique coin name to them. Well, I say unique actually. I just told everyone to choose their own, so it's maybe not unique. Maybe some channels might end up choosing the same coin, so don't let that confuse you guys. Ugh, bus bag. Yeah, don't let that confuse you. So I've got a coin name, and I will tell you at some point in this hunt. You take that name, you add it to my final score, and then you can email them to me at trevscoins2collect@gmail. I feel like I've said that wrong, but I'll put it up on the screen. There you go. Yeah, so email the coin name and the score from each channel. Ugh. Another bus bag to me, and then I will draw a name from the hats. There's only one winner. Well, there's only one prize this year, and that is a Kew Gardens. A very nice Kew Gardens actually. I ended up buying a couple just to find the best. There we go, Jeremy Fisher. That's got me some points. I think I've lost track of what I've kept score now, so I'm gonna have to go back and do it at the end, tot it up. So I don't know now what is going to be my final score until I've figured it out. I thought I'd try and do it as I go, but yeah, nah. There we go. Oh, what was that last one? No, it was just Britannia. Sorry, I thought it was something. We got another coronation, another 10 points. Lovely. And then we got the coin I love to hate, a dictionary, which I think... Oh, for some reason I gave dictionary 2 points. There we go, it's better than Benjamin Bunny. Nice one. So actually I'm undecided. What's going to be my coin? I'm quite liking the idea of going for coronation. But dictionary is my bogey coin. If I use that as my coin name, will it give me better luck? I don't know. Oh, there we go. Look, my coin name's going to be NHS. I'm sure someone's going to choose that one, but NHS plus my final score. And that is the answer for me, coins to collect. And of course, what you'll have to do, once you've watched all of the videos, you'll have to write all of their coin names and final scores down and then send that to me. Sorry, I should have said that earlier. So basically you're after a list of 9 coins and 9 results. Email me that list. Sorry, I have not explained that very well. Oh well. There we go, we got a People's Act. Nice one. Oh, lovely. Absolutely brilliant. That's a good few points, Paddington. Very nice. It's not an Olympic, but it is points. Paddington at the station gives me 35 points. How smart is that? Lovely, very nice. Oh, who's NJ19? We got to check the rotation because that'd be hilarious, wouldn't it? If someone's got a wonky Benjamin and they've chucked it into circulation. But there you go, NJ19. NJ19. Oh. Now I should have. I should have given more points for signed bunnies. If you ever find a signed bunny, but that's just 1 point. That's a shame, isn't it? Oh well, next time, mental note, extra points for signed bunnies. Oh, there's some funny sounds going on in there. Bet it's that Brexit. I've just seen that Brexit. Some proper tinny sounds as I tip that one out. Don't think Brexit gets me much. There you go, but it's points. There we go. Points mean prizes, apparently. Oh yeah, horrible noise. Hey, memorial. There we go, memorial. Nice one. Just for no real reason. No one's said anything. No one's reported any rotation errors, but always just have to spin it over and double check. Maybe double check the crown and things on that, if there is a crown, that is. There we go. Scouts, of course it is. I couldn't think. Scouts, that has got to be some points. Well, it's a commemorative, so it's got to be some points, but I don't know, could be decent points, could be average points. Another 2020 shield. We've got a Pride. Nice one, lovely to see. Anything else in this? And 15. Nope. Okay, last bag. Oh, I can just tell this video's been a long one. I really apologise for that. I'm really sorry about that. But I'm not used to it. I'm not used to these marathon videos. So we're starting the last bag. Are we going to get any more big point hitters? Come on, Olympic. Last bag luck. Oh, we got a Squirrel Nutkins. Oh, I'm happy with that. Squirrel. Oh, another decent 35 points. Yay. Very happy. Nice. I'll have it. I'll take it. Whatever the phrase is. But the rest are Britannias and Shields, aren't they? I bet you. Well, there you go. Last gasp. Squirrel. To add some more points to the pot. Oh, lovely. Right, I'm going to have to go through all this now and add up all the points, double check the points. I'll see you soon. Okay, so there we go. 358, I think, is my score. I think, double checking it. I think my maths adds up. So 358 plus my coin name that I said earlier in the video. There we go. I'm not going to tell you again. You have to go back and watch it again. 358, and that's the final number that I'm going to give you guys. So 358 plus the coin name I mentioned earlier in the video, plus the other 8 channels. So write their scores down, their coin names. Email me at trevscoins2collect@gmail.com. Fantastic. So I'm looking for 9 answers. 9 correct answers. Some channels may try and trick you and say a few different coin names, but so pay attention. A couple of people were caught out last year by that, so it, you know, tricks possible. Next up at 1 o'clock, Sunderland coins. 2 o'clock is Master Temple. 3, to coin a phrase, 4, Rich H. Hunts. 5 PM, MackemMoolah. 6 PM, Cristopher Collects. 7 PM, Grosey. And my very good friend Bungle closes the day 8 PM tonight. There you go. Alright, so hopefully I've explained that all okay. You've got a week from 8 PM tonight when Bungle does his video. So a week to enter all those details. And then probably a week after that I will pick a winner. So there you go. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the other channels. We'll do this again next year. But until then, please keep looking out for those coins to collect. Bye. Oh, marathon. Whew.